Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off notifications. This day memories are available in OneDrive. So how to turn off notifications? This day memories are available in OneDrive. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. Just point the cursor to the right of the screen. Here there are several menu icons. Tap this Settings menu. And a menu will appear below like this. Tap the Option menu. Now here you will enter the Settings menu. Here there are lots of options. Tap the Notifications menu. Now here there are several options that you can change. On the This Day Memories Are Available menu, tap to disable. Turning off this feature allows users to disable today's memories notifications on OneDrive on their computers, avoiding interference. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off notifications. This day memories are available in OneDrive. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.